Hi, I'm Jonathan M0JS6 and Retevis are at it again. This time it's for their spring deal sale over on Amazon, and as part of this they've offered to give a couple of radios for a giveaway. More details on that at the end. But I've picked 4 radios that I just want to talk about very briefly before we get into it, just because the radios that I've either used or are included in the giveaway. The first one is the Retevis C1, which I happen to have one behind me here. We spoke about this on the channel. There's a video linked up there. A nice solid dual band 5-watt handheld that feels like it's made well. Nice, yeah, generally it's all right. I can't really say much more than it's all right, and it's certainly very all right for a smidge over £40, as you can see here. USB Type-C charging, large colour screen, yada yada yada. 18% off at the moment, £40.84. The next one is their mobile, the RT95. Again, we did a video on that. Kamikaze radio behind me. The RT95, again, video linked up there. I really love this radio for a little dual band 25-watt mobile. It works really nicely. I've mounted mine on a chopping board. In fact, I've mounted it on 2. The screws are a bit long, so yeah, I modified it since you last saw it. But yeah, nice, great little mobile. If you're putting it in the car, grab yourself a cigarette lighter and put it in your cigar lighter socket. It will just work. They are currently, if you wanted the radio by itself, they're £101.99. That's a saving of just under 20 quid. Or if you wanted it with the antenna, it'd be £115.59. Again, that's a saving of about 20 quid. So a really good price if you just wanted to buy one thing to pop in the car with an antenna. Hey, and the mag mount works really nicely. I have to say that little antenna really does do a fantastic little job. The next up is a radio that I haven't used, but is one of the radios that is included in the giveaway. I'm just going to stand that up behind me. There we are. This is going to be a warts and all production. The Retevis A61. I say I've not used one of these, but Retevis are offering for one of these for a giveaway as part of their spring deal sale. £38.99. It's 2,200 milliamp hour battery, covers it says AM band. I'm going to assume that means aircraft band. I'm not quite sure, haven't really done much looking to this. So it's got a sub PT2, it's got dual watch, USB-C charging. Again, it looks like it's going to be all right. And I assume it's 5 watts. I'm guessing so. I'm guessing it's 5 watts out. Finally, it's the radio that everybody has. It's the Retevis Ailunce HA1 UV. You've seen all the videos, including mine. Mine was a bit late, and I'm glad it was a bit late actually. They are about 10 quid off, so they're normally £69.99. They're currently on the sale at £59.49. If you wanted it with the speaker microphone, you could do that. That takes it to £67.99. I don't have the speaker mic for it, but it would go on the side port here. For all of the hype and all of the noise about this radio, it is actually quite good, I have to say. I've not gone to any testing where it would go into like a high noise environment, but using it around the shack and the fact that it's got an SMA female connector on, I really like that. It feels well made. It can certainly open up my nearest few repeaters with ease, just even on this little short stubby antenna, which I was quite amazed at. And Retevis are also giving away one of these as part of this giveaway. So let's talk about the giveaway. As the sale runs between today and the 31st of March, that's going to be the time frame for you to enter. By entering, all you need to do is put a comment down below with the words "yes please," and that will get you entered into the draw. I will draw the winners on the 31st of March at 8 PM UK time. I'm not going to do a live stream this time. I'm just going to draw it and then put up a community post with the winners, and then the winners will have 48 hours from me releasing that post to email, and it'll be the same email as before, so it'll be giveaway at m0jsx.radio in order to claim the prize. That's how we're going to do it. So your chance to win either the Retevis Ailunce HA1 UV or the Retevis A61 just by entering down below the words yes please as a comment. There are some affiliate links down below for the radios that we have talked about today, and do go check the videos out that I've previously done on some of these radios if you want a little bit more of a flavour as to what they do. Thanks very much for watching. If you like this video, there's that button specifically for that. If you haven't, there's another button that seems to work just fine too. And if you haven't already done so, please do click on that subscribe button and click the notification bell and you'll be told whenever I upload a new video. There's another video coming up over here that the algorithm thinks that you'll like next. Until next time, 73. Bye bye.